Ngākau Atawhai, the heart that is gentle. Our tūpuna were gentle and respectful parents, especially the dads. Here are some things that we know about tūpuna dads. The early explorers said they saw fathers carrying pēpi in te pīkau more often than māmā. We also know that once boy pēpi were weaned from māma's milk, papa took over care of the boys. Papa would take their sons everywhere with them, everywhere, out fishing or hunting, on long journeys to other kāinga or hapu, or to big hui with rangatira, chiefs in attendance. And that meant Papa also cared for their every need, feeding, toileting, cleaning, napping, and so on. They were excellent carers.
They are excessively fond of their children. On a journey, it is more usual to see the father carrying his infant than the mother, and all the little offices of a nurse are performed by him with the tenderest care and good humour.
And these same papa, who were excellent carers, were also great strategists and negotiators. And these same papa who would sing oriori to their pēpi to soothe them to sleep were also brilliant hunters and fishermen. And these same papa who would clean their pēpi's bum were also the fiercest of warriors. They loved, adored, and were proud of their kids. Ngākau Atawhai, the heart that is gentle. This is the most important way to parent more like our tūpuna dads did.
Mā te whainga e mahitahi, te whakatipu tamariki, ka kōrero ki te aroha, ki a ranga tira ai e